everybody, and thanks for joining me again. This is my first video since my little accident, and my talking isn't so shaky anymore since my breathing is better due to that rib I bruised. So let's make a video. I now think I'm coming down with a cold, and so I thought I would share with you something that I found on YouTube from Bev. She has the Half Acre Homestead channel, and I found this over a year ago. Last Christmas I made this and gave it as stocking stuffers for Christmas to my friends, and they loved it. It helps. All you need is lemon. I may need more than one, and I have extra in case I need it. Ginger, and your favorite raw honey. Be sure it's raw. Oh, and you need to recycle a jar with a tight-fitting lid. I'm using an organic lemon because this is going to be covered in honey. And so when you get organic, you know, they have these little spots on it. I'm just going to cut those off and slice this really thin. I'm going to peel this ginger and slice it really thin, and we'll be back for the next step. So here I have the lemon and the ginger. Now I may need to slice up some more because I have kind of a big jar, but this lasts for a very long time. It'll last like for over a year. Well, not in my house. I actually use this quite often. So in your jar, just go ahead and start dropping a few pieces of ginger in there and a few pieces of lemon. You don't have to worry about the seeds. And we're just going to keep layering this with ginger and lemon. And when I get it halfway full, I'm going to pour in some honey. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm going to have to slice up some more ginger. Now we just pour our raw honey right on top. And as this sits, the honey is going to get infused with all the goodness from the lemon and the ginger. And Mrs. Wolfe, or Bev, calls this throat tonic. And I'll tell you, it sure is. It is beautiful. It tastes good. I like to put it in my tea. I like to just have it on a spoon. And it really soothes a cold, a sore throat, a swollen throat. Even if you don't have a sore throat, or if I don't have a sore throat, if I'm congested, I still take it and it helps. Now this is not a cure. This is a helper. A natural helper to help you get through being sick. And it makes it so much nicer. The friends that I gave this to all loved it and all highly approve of it as well. I've just finished layering all my lemons and ginger slices, topped it off with honey, and all you need to do is put the lid on it, and you can shake it up or wait a little bit. The honey is going to get thinner with the liquid from the ginger and the lemons. Technically, it's ready right now. I tasted it and it's wonderful. I don't know if you can see how pretty that is. All those layers of lemon. You don't have to peel the lemon. Just slice it up, throw it in there with sliced ginger, and add honey. I like to add honey as I go to keep there from being, you know, air pockets or whatever in there. And now I'm just going to pop it in the refrigerator, and it's ready when I need it. I just wanted to bring you along and show you this wonderful little throat tonic or cold remedy that I got from Bev from our Half Acre Homestead channel. And I hope it helps you as much as it has helped me and my friends. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.